Hey everybody, welcome to the channel. So we have a small haul here today. I won the camera on eBay. Well, I tried 3 times on 3 different cameras and I won this one, so I thought I'd do a quick haul video for a test run and then we will do our canning videos. So I just got it yesterday. Got the battery in there, got a memory card in there. So anyways, if you're new to the channel, please like, comment, and subscribe. It really helps us smaller channels out. And it's all about the algorithm. So anyways, so we have mostly, all pretty much shelf-stable stuff today. I got a, how much is this? I think this is a 5-pound bag. It's very heavy. No, it's a 10-pound bag of mung beans for sprouting. And if you like bean sprouts in your stir fries and your egg rolls or your wraps or what have you, these are yummy. So we have that. I got a 4-pound container of red lentils. And your lentils and split peas and things like that cook really quickly. I got another package of the cracked up powdered whole eggs. They are now so expensive. I ordered some for my family in California, and they had gone up $2 at that point. From the point of ordering theirs and shipping theirs to ordering mine, they went up another $2. So these have gone up $4. So August Farms is now cheaper than these. So those used to be $27. I don't know, they're more expensive than August Farms now. They've gone up since that day. I got a 6-pack of 1-quart containers of shelf-stable whole milk by Nutrell. It's like the Gossamer milk. I got 3 more packages of the freeze-dried food, sirloin steak. Those are raw. Fajita blend, peppers and onions, and raw boneless pork chops. So I tell you what, canned meat after a while is going to get old. I got a 5-pound bag of the hard red winter wheat. I got a bag of pita chips to go with our hummus from all those chickpeas. I got 4 cans of the Nestle Crema, the table cream. I got a container of mayonnaise because I use a lot of mayonnaise in the summer. I got some Dill Relish. I got 2 different types of the instant guacamole. See which one's the best, if either. I got this package of chicken flavored pasta and sauce. Not tried that. I got another package of the creamy potato soup. I got a can of the roast beef and another can of the pork chili verde. And I got some better gloves for in the kitchen, but I will have to use up that other box of those big funky ones. So that is my haul for today. we'll see how this video turned out and upload it. And then if there are no glitches and everything's clear and all of that, then we will come back and I will get all my canning done and get the videos out. So anyways, I hope you all are doing well. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I will see you in the next video.